So these are the solar lights that I'm going to use. I got them on clearance. They're $2 each, and basically I'm just going to reuse the same circuitry in here, except I will use my own battery holder, and I will be using eneloop batteries. So this is how the inside looks. This is a circuit board with an on-off switch and two wires coming out from the solar panel to the QX5252. There are two inputs, and then the wires come out to charge the battery and also to turn the light on. These are the wires. The white will be the negative. This is the positive. And this is the positive from the solar panel. So there it is. This is the part that I'm going to use. So once you disconnected everything, it might look a little confusing. All the negatives, all the ground would go here, and on the 4-pin would be the LED. So this would be the actual pinout. You see the blue cable there? That goes to the first pin, the solar positive. And then the white wire goes to over here, the third pin, that's the negative. And so does the LED negative and the battery negative. It all goes to that third pin there. So this is the setup, and you just have to hook up battery positive to your positive terminal of the battery, negative to the negative terminal of the battery. Same thing for the LED, same thing for the solar. You just have to hook it up to the solar terminal, LED positive terminal. That's it. Actually, the more I talk about it, the more confusing it sounds, but that's basically what it is. Before I wire it up, I'm going to test it a little bit. This is basically the same point where the so now I'm testing the connections that I made to the third and the fourth pin out. The third one is the common or the negative for everything, and the fourth one is the connection for the LED positive. So I'm going to add more LEDs. This is just one I connected, and I have the negative and also the positive of the battery. So right now I just connected it to the power source, and you see the original LED is lighting up, and this is the additional LED. And if I were to add 3 or 4 more, it should light up just the same, because I made one before and it worked out pretty well. So I'm going to continue from this point on. So here I'm testing it. I hooked up one battery, and there are 8 LEDs here, and one, this is the original one, and this is running on one circuit board. I'm gonna have 2, so it shouldn't overload it. They will be in parallel, and then I'm gonna have 2 battery holders like this, and I'm going to put in 2 eneloop batteries. So I know it works fine with 4 on running on one board, and basically I'm just doubling the LEDs and paralleling it with another board, so yeah, it seems to be working. I'm almost done with this solar light. Just put some heat shrink on the connections to the solar panel, and let's see. Okay, so everything is ready to be tucked back in. I use this container. This is actually a takeout container, and for the wiring I just have to straighten them out a little bit, and it's gonna be ready. Just gonna tuck everything in and test it now. So the solar panel is in the back. This is the solar panel over here. Solar panel. This is a 5-volt, about I would say 300 mA. This would be actually too much for the circuitry, but usually when it says 300 mA, you probably get 150. So it's coming on and off because it is bright in the room. So let me lower the shade, and you see the light comes on. The construction of this light is basically based on the one that I made before. The one I made before had 4 LEDs, so I just double up on everything and use a bigger solar panel. This is how it looks going down the basement. That's a solar panel. It's bright. It's not super bright, but certainly much brighter than what I had before. This is the single LED. I have 2 of them in here, so there are 2 circuit boards. These are the original ones, and the 8 white LEDs are the new ones. So it's not bad. There you go.